Today I'm working on the 85 Silverado square body. I'm gonna put some Poppy's Patina clear coat on it. Now I bought their kit that's pretty much comes with everything. We've got your pre-cleaner, your wax and grease remover. Here's the wipe-on clear coat, and here's the clear catalyst. And this is for cleaning. It's basically a gray Scotch-Brite pad. Came with some rags for the wax and grease remover. First up though is the pre-cleaner. Basically car wash with a gray scrub pad.
And about 2 ounces of this. Yeah, that's 2 ounces. And a gallon of water. We take our gray Scotch-Brite pad and make sure you get everything except for this brand new molding that I just put on, which you can see in another video.
Now that I've hit the entire thing with our gray Scotch-Brite, I'm going to rinse this off with water, move on to the next section, and just rinse and repeat until the whole truck's done. It's been cleaned and scuffed. Now I'm going to wipe it down with a completely dry towel. I could just let it air dry, but I want to get on with the show. So real quick on the wax and grease remover. First off, why am I wearing gloves? No, I'm not concerned about the chemical. I'm removing wax and grease, so if I don't have these gloves on and I put my bare hand down on a spot that I've already cleaned, I just got grease all over it again, and then that could cause the new clear coat to lift. You need 2 rags. One, it's your rag that you're going to put the degreaser on. Full disclosure, I've already done a little bit of wax and grease remover on the truck, so that's why this is dirty. Pour this on, wipe it on, just wipe it on, and then take your other rag and wipe it off. That way any wax or grease that is lifted gets wiped off with this rag and not the one that you're applying it with, even though that seems to kind of be the case. That's the theory anyways, and that's the way the people at Poppy's Patina want you to do it. So that's how I'm going to do it. Go over the entire vehicle, which I'm going to do next, and then we'll be on to the fun part. I went ahead and masked off a few things, like the molding and the door. Not really too worried about it, but you know, it only took a few minutes. Time to mix up our clear coat. Now it's an 8-to-1 mix, so I'm going to go ahead and do 2 ounces of the clear catalyst and then 16 ounces of the clear coat. Once you mix it, you could put it into a paint tray and then dip your sponge applicator into the paint tray, but I don't have a paint tray and I'm pretty deep into this already, so I'm just going to dip it right out of the mixing cup. I'm going to start with the hard parts first and then work my way to the easy parts. So we're doing the roof, then we're going to do the middle of the hood, work our way out. All right, 2 ounces. Like an old pop top. It'll take you up to 18 ounces total. Right, because 2 plus 16 is 18. They do say don't breathe this stuff, so don't breathe this stuff. Mix it up with our stick. I'll see you on the roof. Just gonna dip. Let's see. Oh, it's very watery. So you're gonna want to start wiping this stuff just as fast as possible. Maybe start more towards the middle. Oh, it looks cool though. Check that out. That's pretty wild, huh? Now it's going to self-level on its own. I don't know if you can see the kind of sponge marks in it. And I'm going to go ahead and go over the side. There you go, take a look at this. Pretty neat, huh? No idea how that looks on the camera, but it looks pretty cool in person. My playbook kind of went out the window. Not sure how well you can see that. The light's not the best in here. Maybe the other side's better. I've already done the door, haven't done the fender. I am done for the night. We'll see tomorrow how this looks when it dries and I take all the tape off. Looks pretty cool right now. I am kind of surprised at how little of the product I used. I mixed up 18 ounces. Of those 18 ounces, shoot, I've got, I still have 8 ounces left. Yeah, I got 8 ounces left, and I thought I was printing it on pretty heavy. I'll find out tomorrow. I sure wish I had something that I wanted to put 8 ounces of Poppy's Patina clear coat on. Nah, I'm not gonna put it on the counter. All right, let me get this tape off of here. Now it says it takes 24 hours to cure. It has not been 24 hours. It's been about 20. That is just insane how good that thing looks. Look at this. It came out so good. Wow. I'm just, I'm floored at how just beautiful this blue is. Wow. Yeah, see, this is kind of what I thought was going to happen here, where somebody did this painting at some point on this thing. It's kind of accentuated now. It's really a much darker blue. Gives a character though, right? Look at that. Then when you get close up, all the rust is just clear coated. Oh, it's beautiful. I don't even know what to say. But I should have put it on thicker. I should have put it on a little thicker, I think. I'm glad I have plenty left because there are spots that I definitely need to touch up.
Here's a spot where it looks like maybe I missed a little bit.
There's another one. There's one on the door. Should have been using some better light while I was doing this. I thought it was going to self-level better than that, but that's okay. It still looks really cool.
Yep, see, here's where I missed some right here.
That is on me, though. So there's some spots I'm going to put a second coat on, but you guys don't need to see that. This is a really cool product. I'm looking forward to seeing how well it holds up. Based on the reviews, it's going to be just fine. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment. See you down the road.